Don't say limb for this word. The letter B here is silent, so that makes it limb. Limb. The dog lost a limb. The dog lost a limb, not the dog lost a limb. Here too, the letter B here is silent. This is climb. Climb. It is not climb, e.g., she can climb fast. She can climb fast, not she can climb fast. Now, if you have this, okay, this word, it is climbing. Climbing. Climbing, not climbing. Climbing, it's not two syllables. Cli is emphasized, is stressed. Then ming is the second syllable. She can climb fast. I saw her as she was climbing the stairs, not as she was climbing the stairs. Now, this is succumb. Succumb, not succumb. 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 The B here is not pronounced as well. It is silent. Don't succumb to fear. Don't succumb to fear. Not don't succumb to fear. And this is plum. Plum. So when you add this to it, it becomes plumber. Plumber. Two syllables as well. The first syllable is stressed, is emphasized. The plumber fixed it. The plumber fixed it, not the plumber. It's not plumber. Okay? This word on its own is this plum. This word on its own, plum. Okay? So the plumber fixed it. And take note, this is fixed. Fixed, not fixed. It is not. I'm sure you've learned something new today. Do well to like, comment, and share the video. Also follow me for more. Thank you.